Meteorologist Mike Hoffman joining us now. And Mike, we've been kind of watching this front work its way across the country, bringing with it more rain in spots.
Yeah, and some of that area definitely needs the rain. There's no question about it as it moves through the lower Great Lakes. And you can see that Gulf moisture continuing to flow northward. That's been the activity that's been over the plains for a good week now, coming through Texas and Louisiana, but now it's kind of shifted ahead of the front. And you can see as we put the maps into motion, this cold front's going to shove it even farther east into the northern, maybe even central Appalachians by later today, and then back through parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and into still Louisiana and southeastern Georgia. There's that next storm system coming in as well. This has a possibility, I should say, for some severe weather to move into parts of the northern plains, something everybody will be watching in that area. And you can see as we head through tonight, then that's going to form into an area of rain in some places that could really use it. I'm not sure how much of North Dakota is going to get a decent amount, but you at least have some chances there. We'll be watching that, and then as we head through the day tomorrow, that will spread eastward, and that could have some very heavy weather with it once again for parts of the north central Mississippi Valley, parts of Illinois, Iowa, even Missouri, and yet another storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest there. So precipitation estimates over the past 24 hours, a lot of it's been centered over northeast Texas, eastern Oklahoma, central and western Arkansas. Adding in the next 36, you'll see first that front, and then you'll see that next system coming in. So some decent amounts, again, through the middle of the country. Some areas could use it, some could not. You'll notice what I'm talking about up in North Dakota. Unless that system goes a little farther north, it's showing a lot of it southern North Dakota into South Dakota getting the rain. Here's the temperatures as we head through this afternoon. The cooler weather has moved into the far northern tier of states. Otherwise, it's still warm and muggy. That cooler weather will spread southward a little ways, so you can kind of split the country into thirds here. Northern thirds cooler, the rest is still warmer, and that's kind of where about I-80 basically kind of sets up the dividing line between the warmer air and the cooler air. So here's the jet stream. We have multiple systems going from west to east. There's the one coming across the plains, heads through the northeast and the Great Lakes over the weekend. Another trough, pretty decent trough, kind of digs into the middle of the country as we head through the middle of next week. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. Heading to Cedar City, Utah, first of all, mostly sunny and breezy at times, high temperature of 79. Ironwood, Michigan, a mixture of sunshine and clouds, high of 51. And then Savannah, Georgia, very warm with partly sunny skies, high of 93.